What if I told you that right now there are people making money from finance videos without showing their face, without recording their voice, and without spending hours editing? Some of these channels are uploading simple AI-generated videos, getting thousands of views, and earning real income from content that takes only a few minutes to create. The opportunity is still wide open because most people think finance content is complicated, when in reality free AI tools can now do almost all of the work for you. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how these channels operate, the free tools they use, and how you can create professional, monetizable finance videos in as little as 10 minutes. If you've ever wanted to start a YouTube channel but thought it would take too much time, money, or skill, watch until the end, because this could be one of the easiest online opportunities you'll see this year. Before we begin, let me show you a few example channels in this niche. All of these channels are fully monetized and are successfully using AI-generated content in their videos. I'm not suggesting that you copy their work, but you can definitely study their approach and take inspiration from their video style, content structure, storytelling techniques, and presentation. This will help you understand what is already working in this niche and give you ideas for creating your own unique content. To make this process even easier, I've created a powerful master template prompt that will help us generate both the script and the images for our video. This template is designed to streamline the entire workflow, saving time while ensuring consistent, high-quality results. You can find the template prompt and all the necessary resource files in the video description below. Simply access the files and follow along as we use them throughout this tutorial. Now, the first thing you need to do is open the resource document and copy the first master template prompt. This prompt is quite long, so make sure you copy it completely without missing any part. Once you have copied the entire prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it into the prompt box, and click Generate. After a few moments, ChatGPT will provide 20 unique topic ideas for your channel. If you don't like the suggested topics, simply type more topics and ChatGPT will generate a fresh set of ideas. You can also enter your own custom topic if you already have something specific in mind. Just paste your topic into the prompt box and click Generate. Next, ChatGPT will ask for your desired video duration. For this tutorial, I'll select 8 minutes, but you can choose any duration that fits your content strategy. Once you've selected the duration, ChatGPT will begin generating a complete script for your video. When the script is finished, start a new ChatGPT conversation and return to the resource document. This time, copy the second master template prompt. Just like the first one, it's fairly lengthy, so be sure to copy it carefully and completely. Then paste it into the new ChatGPT chat and click Generate. You'll notice that ChatGPT first creates 5 different character prompts for you. Choose whichever character you like best. For this example, I'm going to select character number 5. Before moving forward, let's see what this character looks like. To do that, open Flow AI and create a new project. Paste the selected character prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. As you can see on the screen, this is how our character will appear throughout the entire video. Having a consistent character helps maintain visual continuity and gives the video a more professional look. Now, go back to ChatGPT and enter the character number you've selected. In my case, I'll enter number 5 and click Generate. ChatGPT will now understand which character to use and will automatically include the same character consistently in every image prompt. This ensures that all of your visuals maintain a unified style throughout the video. Next, ChatGPT will begin asking for small sections of your script so it can convert them into image prompts. At this stage, I recommend placing both ChatGPT chats side by side using a split-screen view. On one side, you'll have your completed script, and on the other side, you'll have the image prompt generator. Now, start copying small sections of the script and paste them into the image prompt chat one by one. ChatGPT will convert each section into a detailed image prompt. Depending on the length of your script, this process may take a few minutes. Make sure you cover all of the important scenes and convert every necessary part of the script into image prompts. Once all of your image prompts are ready, it's time to generate the visuals. Open Flow AI and start pasting the image prompts into the prompt box one at a time. Generate each image individually and continue until every prompt has been converted into an image. This step may also take a few minutes depending on the number of scenes in your video. As you can see on the screen, I've already converted several of the image prompts into high-quality images. By following the same process, you'll be able to create all the visuals needed for your entire video. Now it's time to convert our script into an AI voiceover. For this, we'll use Microsoft ClipChamp, which is available both as a web version and as a desktop application through the Microsoft Store. Open ClipChamp and select the text-to-speech feature. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Copy the complete script that was generated for your video and paste it into the text-to-speech script box inside ClipChamp. Once you've pasted the script, choose the AI voice that best fits your video's style and audience. After selecting your preferred voice, click Generate to create the voiceover. Take a moment to listen to the audio and make any necessary adjustments to the voice, speed, or pronunciation if needed. Once you're satisfied with the result, save the project. Finally, export the file and select the audio-only option. This will save the voiceover as a separate audio file, which we'll use later during the video editing process. Now for the final step, open CapCut and import the AI voiceover file you created earlier. Drag the audio file onto the timeline first, as it will serve as the foundation for the entire video. Next, import all of the images you generated using Flow AI. Start dragging the images onto the timeline one by one, making sure each image matches the corresponding part of the script. The goal is to create meaningful visuals that accurately represent what's being said in the voiceover. When someone watches the video, the visuals and narration should work together naturally and make complete sense. This is the stage where your creativity plays the biggest role. Take your time and carefully choose which image appears at each moment in the video. The better your visual storytelling, the more engaging and professional your final video will look. Depending on the length of your script, this process may take several minutes, so don't rush it. Make sure every important part of the script is covered with relevant visuals. Once you've arranged all the images, it's time to add some simple animation to make the video more dynamic. For this, we'll use CapCut's keyframe feature. Select an image and place a keyframe at the very beginning of the clip. Then move to the end of the same image and add another keyframe. After that, slightly increase the scale value by around 3 to 4 points. This creates a smooth and subtle zoom effect that adds motion to otherwise static images. Repeat this process for all of your images. These slow zoom effects help keep viewers engaged and make the video feel much more professional and enjoyable to watch. Finally, watch the entire video from start to finish and review everything carefully. Check that the visuals match the narration, the timing feels natural, and there are no mistakes or missing scenes. Once you're happy with the final result, export the video in 4K quality for the best viewing experience.
Most people think money changes your life gradually. A little more income, a little more comfort, a little less stress. But there is a specific point that almost nobody talks about, a number that quietly changes the way you think, the way you decide, and even the way you see risk itself. And strangely, it is not $100,000. It is not $50,000. It is not even $10,000. It is $20,000. Because something very unusual happens once a person crosses that number. Not in their bank account, but in their behavior. And if you understand what changes after $20,000, you start to understand why some people escape financial stress permanently, while others stay stuck for decades even if they earn more every year. But here is what makes this interesting. Most people never notice the shift when it happens. They just feel like things got a little easier. They don't realize a hidden transition just took place in their financial psychology.
And that's it. Your AI-generated documentary video is now complete and ready to upload to YouTube. And that's how you can create a complete AI-generated documentary video from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the resources in the description to get started with your own videos today.